This is just my video diagram of how I hooked up my KC lights, or any other electronic accessory you have in your truck. Negative terminal, come up, go straight to the lights with the negative, till you get to that, and that splice right there, that looks like this right here. So all I did, twisted them together with two pair of pliers, and then ran through the light system, came back down, spliced about 5 or 6 wires into one, which looks like this right here. Just a common splice. Twisted them all together. Came back down, 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 put a switch between the negative cable, cut it in half, leave a little bit extra, tie it onto that right there, put a switch in it, come back down to the positive cable. And these are your common splices you can make depending on your amounts of stuff. See, got the 5, I got the 2, got the 4, got the 3, got the 2, longer 2.